Hello there! In today's video tutorial, we will delve into the batch processing feature in the AliveColors photo editor, how to use it and what is it for. Batch processing is a way to perform some actions on several photos at once. This can be useful, for example, for some basic color correction or applying watermarks. Today I'm gonna make a collage of black and white photos. We will prepare them using batch processing. Open a new file. In the Actions tab, create a folder with an action. Name it as you like. After you click the record button, the program will record all your actions. Create a black and white photo effect using an adjustment layer. We will talk about them later. Stop recording the action. Now you can start batch processing. In the File menu, select Automation, Batch Processing. Now you need to specify the folder with the source photos as well as the folder where the processed photos will be saved. And select a format, in this case it's JPEG. Click the preset and the processing starts. Thus, you can process a large number of photos in the shortest time. Try this out and see you in the next videos.